All right, it's time to start Cad 23, I think. Let me count the book right quick. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Cad 23. All right, so Cad 23 looks kind of funky. Kind of looks like a kidney bean a little bit. It's called an indexing base. All right, so let's get started. Now, dimensions are in inches, so we will do imperial feet in inches. Now, we're going to start with the big circle, okay, down at the bottom. So we know that's a radius of 3. So, 3 radius. Now, inside of that, we got a diameter of 1.5. So we'll touch the side to get our center. Do our diameter 1.5. I'm going to zoom out and pan down a little bit. Now, we're going to pick a line, and we're going to pick quadrant again. So we're going to snap to quadrant, pick the top. Now, we want to go 30 degrees out this way, so make sure Pac-Man is set to 30, okay? Up vertical and then come over until it snaps into place at 120 degrees. And you want that to be 4 inches. The way I get 4 is, if you'll look, the radius to the center line going through that slot on the side of the thing is 4. So we know we're going to go 4 inches. All right, so there's that one. Space bar twice. Go this way, another 4 inches. Okay, now I'm going to grab this circle and I'm going to copy it to the endpoints of those 2 lines. So one here and one here. You'll get that green square, okay? Now, up at the top of this one, we're going to do a radius circle of 2 inches. So there's that. Now, I'm going to go ahead and do an arc. Center, start, and end, and I'm going to pick this as my center point. Pick the edge of the circle. It'll be perpendicular, and then scroll over to the center of that circle. Now we're going to offset, and that's going to be the same distance as the diameter of that circles. So that'll be a 1.5 offset. Just grab that arc you just drew and offset it to the outside. All right, now you can get rid of this and this. All right, so starting to shape up. Okay, we're going to do some trimming later, but we need to get 2 more circles in here, and they're both tan radiuses. So we'll go to circle, tan radius, pick the top and the bottom, and that will be 6 for your radius. All right, one more to do. Another tan radius circle. Approximately these 2 spots. Doesn't matter if you're directly, completely, exactly the same as mine. It'll still put it in the right place. And that one's going to be a radius of 1. So there's our circles. Now, we're going to trim out to make it look right. So you'll notice in the book there is nothing on that side, so we can trim that out. And we can trim that out. So there's our basic kidney shape. All we got to do now is trim out inside. Slot, and there's our kidney bean. The indexing base is complete. Go ahead and hit this and click top to center it, and then save it and print it. And once again, I'll show you guys how to do that. So this is Cad 23. And once again, plot, center the plot. And it looks good. All right, so, see, not that hard. They look so intimidating, I know, man, but they're really so easy to do. Just use your tools, use your circles, your lines, and all that. Look at the problem that you have, and then pick it apart into its individual pieces, and it makes it a lot easier. Think of it as a group of shapes instead of one big drawing, okay? That might help you out. All right, so there's that one. We'll do Cad 24 next.